All right, so this template, which is accessible from the site, has the same grid that's on those pages, and this is where we're going to build our digital versions of the letter forms. So one letter per space. So what we would do is there's 3 different layers here. Okay, one of the layers is the overlaying grid. Okay, the other layer is this gray box underneath. It just helps you constrain it visually. And then the real layer we want to work on is this one that's unlocked. It's called type. And using this sub-selection or the direct selection tool, you would come into this and you would select an individual piece. And there's a keyboard shortcut. I can't remember what it is, but it allows you to sort of select these forms. And you can select multiple at once with let's just make a simple form. You can select multiples at once, and what you're basically doing is you're turning the color of them to black so you can create your typeface. And this is the process that we're going to go through for building our letter forms. As you can see, I'm making some sort of rather rigid form. Turn them black, come right down here. It doesn't work if you have the other tool on, the sort of black arrow, because when you click on it, it selects all of them. So you got to have this the white arrow. And let's come in here. Let's just complete this sort of like that. And then let's take out, so say I wanted to remove some of these, I turn them white again. And there is my lowercase b. Maybe I want to make it a little bit taller. Think about the terminals. Okay. So now that I have this b, I'm going to go save as, and I'm going to call it, my last name, because this will help if I have to help you and you have these files. And I would put B. If it was an uppercase B, I'd put an uppercase B on it. Otherwise, I'd put a lowercase b. And in a folder, grid type, I probably recommend that you make a grid type folder, and then inside of that folder you put letters, and you save that there. Okay, and then once you have that done and you want to reset it, you can just sort of select them all and do a quick like that. You can also build letters off of existing letters. So if you wanted to make the H next, and the H has more or less the same sort of characters to it, you could do something like that, and then you do save as, and you make it H. So you should have one file per letter form.
You want to put A to Z?
A to Z, 0 through 9. We'll get to punctuation in a bit, but let's just try letters and numbers. Choose either uppercase or lowercase. Some people are doing both in the other class because they like that rhythm, they want that capability. I would say if you can, that would be a great thing to do. We're looking for one good set, either uppercase or lowercase, to start. And let me stop my little movie.